Having this many bodies to move the debris that I seldom get a chance to get up just by myself is a big help. They've done a lot of stick cleanup. Some of this has been embedded around us since the tornado hit and took a lot of limbs. The kids do a nice job. They're kids, you gotta work with them, stay with them, but they do a good job and clean up when you ask them to. Very helpful to have all that debris out of the way.
I would recommend that they do this next year because it's very important for students my age to learn teamwork skills, and also it just helps make it easier to go on the trails.
Absolutely, this was a worthwhile day. It gets the kids exposure to their county and seeing, even after a big event like the tornado, what they can do still today to help clean up this area that many people come and enjoy.
Just important to, at a young age, get that sense of service and what that looks like. And it's been cool today to see like maybe students who are a little bit more uncomfortable in the classroom really thrive out in a situation like this and see different strengths be highlighted.
I'm pulling garlic mustard, and the reason why we're pulling them is because they're invasive.
This was a worthwhile day because we got to help the community in keeping it clean.